Hi everyone, a very good evening. I hope I'm audible all perfectly. Can you please acknowledge that? Hi everyone, very good evening. Can you please acknowledge that if my voice is audible perfectly? Okay. So we're just waiting for another quick 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, and we're starting with today's agenda. That what we have basically made yesterday as per everything. We're going as per the plan of your the boot camp. Okay. Hi Rahul, a very good evening. Surely, let's go with that. Okay, thank you for acknowledging it. Okay, I'm glad, okay, to get to know about it if my voice is audible or not. Okay, got it. So, just waiting for another quick, 1 to 2 minutes. Meanwhile, we can discuss about what we have done it yesterday, what we have built it, and uh, also, like, we can just start with something very exceptional, right? Let me just open that file. Okay, just a minute now. Okay, Rahul, I'll just acknowledge your question also. Give me just a minute, okay? Okay, got it. So now I guess okay, we are perfect to go with that. I just need to start with something very good, right? Okay, please ask your doubt. Okay, I'm just ready to go with your doubts and all. So it's saying okay, okay, too many kind of requests with the same email ID. I'll tell you a reason behind that. What you're basically gonna do it is go a bit below where you have this free plan, right? The general free plan and everything. You can go ahead, open it. Okay, you will be getting it some sort of the dashboards and everything. Okay, this is what you are able to see it, right? Once you just go, the free plan will be able to show to you, right? Now let's say if not the email ID you are just putting it, so you can quickly go with okay, this icon of an avatar. Okay, log out from here and then sign up from the different email ID. Okay, then you can just sign up from the different email ID, and then finally you will be able to put something okay, which is required. Okay, just a minute. Okay, okay, hold on just a second. Actually, this is the panel I got it. Okay, I wanted that appearance to be getting the primary sidebar. Okay, this is the primary sidebar, right? You'll get it. So now I will be saying okay, run my project and provide me the live server, or provide me the link to run it. Okay, somewhat like that. So it will just typically go with it. Okay, it will just have a typically go with that. Okay, and all, and it will run. Okay, so it will just review some changes. Enjoy exploring your professional portfolio and so and so. Thanks. Correct. Now it sees okay, there is some issue with the MongoDB connection error. It's okay. I just need a link, right? So it is saying on this particular link your website is being, or the portfolio is being live. Okay, go back. Open it, and here you see what you have made it yesterday. Is it the only thing we made it? Yes. Okay, we made it this home bar. We made it like about us. This was the page for the about. Correct. This is basically for the about page and everything. Correct. And over here, if you see that there is representing like what? My values. Okay, innovation, collaborations, and also the growths and all by the number if you want it, and then my philosophy. Then you have the skills. Correct. In the skills we have this front end, back end, DevOps, design and all. It will automatically change its color combination. If we go with any of it, it is automatically changing its color combination. Then we have is the projects where we are just trying to write it. Okay, depends upon AI, ML, collaborations, fintech, experiences. This is the experience tiles we have made it. Okay, this is the cards actually we have. Then finally we have the contact page. This is what the contact page looks like, right? That is what we have built it yesterday, correct? Okay, and there is a light mode and the dark mode. It's perfectly visible, right? Today, what our main task is being there is we need to connect. Obviously, we connected our backend, but now we will just connect with the MongoDB also. Okay, resume downloading buttons and everything. We need to do it, correct? Now I'll simply write some of the queries now. Okay, I'll simply say some of like okay the points and all. Okay, this is basically from the server.js, correct? I'll simply write it. I required, obviously it's in static content. Okay. Your voice is breaking. I don't think so. My voice is breaking. It's everything good. Please check your network issue. I think that's required. Okay. Now, obviously it's a dynamic only, right? Okay, storing into the text your name, tagline, profile photo, the URL in the backend, and send them basically via an API, correct? Now what I'll be doing it is into the about page is, first of all, if you see, this is how I've got my MongoDB. Okay, this is the basically the URIs and everything. I got it. Take care, which I'm just trying to get. Now what I'll do it is go back to the MongoDB Atlas. Go with the Atlas database. A very good evening all. Right. So what is a MongoDB? It's a place to store your data, right? And also with the MongoDB, what does it relates is storing more and more data type into the flexible, and the JSON like documents are gonna be there. That's traditional data tables, okay, rows, columns, and the NoSQL databases, right? And this is MongoDB is like what? Okay, it is basically, is it a backend language or is it a front-end language, correct? So it is in cross-platform, correct? Document oriented with the database program. And if it opens the open source NoSQL, like okay, definitely requires the more and more things, right? The popular relational databases, correct? Now what I'll do it is I'll simply, first of all, you need to sign in. Okay, first of all, like okay, go with the sign up and whatever you have, then you can make it this way. Okay, whatever email ID you are using it right now into the cursor, try to just connect with the same. Okay, Rahul, what is your issue? Can you let me know again? What is your issue? I accept the again, correct? It will show you it. I accept it again. The site cannot be reachable. It's okay. Might be a backend issue is being there. Welcome to the MongoDB Atlas, right? Okay, you're able to see it now. The MongoDB Atlas, a very modern database. Definitely it is a modern type of a database it has. I'll just skip the personalization just to avoid time wastings and all. But what I'll do it is I will use a cluster. Now what is a cluster, right? I will use one kind of a cluster. And what do you mean by the cluster into the MongoDB is a distributed system for interconnection of the MongoDB, right? Okay, just an interconnection of the MongoDB to manage and to store the data, either by providing the replica set, okay, or just providing you the free kind of a clusters, right? There is like a free things are being available, you don't need to pay anything. So you can click onto this free, go into this cluster, smart it, okay. Any of that you can just pick AWS, Google Cloud, Azure as and providers, and finally go with create deployments, okay. Finally run with this particular way. Now you can see that, okay, whether I wanted to create my own of it, that's also okay, but you need to save this password somewhere. So what you can do it is into your folder, this particular folder, make one txt file, that's requirement.txt. okay, put it okay over here, the password. Okay, and then put it your username. Okay, and remember you need to put it, okay, you cannot miss this because later on you cannot retrieve it back. Okay, go back to it. It will say username and all. Okay, choose a connection method. First of all, create a database user. Okay, and click onto this. Now finally what you can do it is copy this link. Okay, copy this link, either this one or either shell. Okay, any of that you can definitely write it. MongoDB for VS Code, that's also good. Okay, that's way you can just try to write it and copy it. Okay, whether it's in VS Code or any of it. Okay, Compass also you can use it. Okay, this is the so and so things, and you can copy it, go it back, and here we go, right? That's good. Now what is the main thing, right? Okay, over here is more things, right? I'll just simply write it done. Okay, you will be seeing that this cluster has been created, right? Okay, you are able to see this, that this cluster has been created. Now what you need to do it is go with the database access. Okay, this is the database access. Okay, the database is created. I will be going back towards my Cursor.ai. I have this link of my MongoDB. Okay, database, please add it to my backend. Okay, somewhat like that. Okay, somewhat like that. Okay, connection failed and so thanks, please check your internet connections and all. I think everything is good. Okay, I have written it. This is an txt file. Okay, txt file means like what, that anything as enough text you can put it. Okay, although I have written that it should only add into the backend because it is the work of what, backend. So it says like, okay, over here you can see that, okay, some of the changes are being maintaining MongoDB connections and everything. Okay, improve, got it. So now your connection is done. Okay, your connection, just you need to provide that particular way. You cannot run the queries, Rahul. You need to just switch to your email IDs. Okay, after you switch to your email IDs and all, okay, you just need to put it okay over here. That's it, nothing like, okay, you can see the previous video, the previous session videos and everything. You will definitely get to know like, okay, what I'm just talking for. Yeah, very good evening. Okay, your portfolio is now functionable with a cloud database. Keep on. So here, congratulations, your database is connected. Correct? Okay, over here. Now what I'll be doing it as create an API. Okay, create an API endpoint. So I'll write it, create an API endpoint, which is going to store it like this. return your bio, photo, education, okay, and all. So I'll be just simply writing it this way, that it should make it like this, okay, some sort of what an API which is being trying to get it. So obviously it knows like, okay, it does not have anything to do it with the front end or the back ends or anything like that. Okay, I wanted that this is a backend server. So what I'll be writing it as like, okay, on the backend server, I'm simply writing it, right? Okay, I'm simply writing it. So now, okay, I'll explain you once again. The page is asking. So what probably you need to do it is like, okay, how you maintain it. Submit, okay, without continue without reverting. Just a minute now. Okay, it's writing it itself. What you can do it is now, okay, you can just go back to it, set, okay, once you do all the sign-ins and everything, you have an option to make a cluster. Okay, if you don't have the option to make a cluster, simply comment over here. Okay, you will be having an option to create a cluster. Okay, over here, browse the collections. Okay, and there you will be having an option to create a cluster. Now if you see, it is being saying this and that. Okay, now let's say I have some sort of the clusters and everything. It does not make sense clicking every single thing, okay, it depends upon me, right? No. Okay, it does not mean about that. So for me now, that this is the database. Okay, I'll just simply write it, edit my password if I have. Yes, I have. Right, okay, this is my access, network access, and into the clusters. Okay, browse the collection, and simply I will be having it like this. Okay, any of that. This is not a newly one, okay, but like, okay, we have everything, right? The response is great. Let me just try to get it the full response. Perfect. Okay, this is everything which is being ready. Now the moment I will be just writing it, prior what I was just getting it, if you see this particular way, priorly when I was just able to go with an about, now I will be able to see like what, slash about, correct? Okay, what is the slash about? Okay, is how I will be able to get the particular API. Now if I have skills, if I'm switching to the skills, slash skills, correct? Now I'm getting it basically all the professional way, the API endpoints and everything. I need to get it stored, correct? Okay, basically to my database, correct? The file is not displayed, it's okay, does not matter, right? Now I want each page of this portfolio should have API, I would say provisional APIs and everything for skills, okay, for experience, okay, then we have it for basically the projects, contact and all, okay, contact page also and all. Okay, I have made it according to that. Okay, so I've made it according to that. I want each page should have an API, okay, and all. So just simply run that. Okay, nothing you need to do it hard and fast rule. I would say, Arvind, please follow from the day one. Okay, I would definitely say you will not be requiring anything else. What we have made it, okay, yesterday is what I'm just showing you. This is what we have made it yesterday only. This is basically with the React front end and the back end with the MongoDB. Okay, this is the entire thing, right? Okay, thus we made it for your resume. Okay, this is basically a portfolio website. Okay, so I would say if you follow everything from the day one, you are done with it. You are clear with everything. Okay. So what you need to do it is you need to put this command, and then like okay, the moment it adds upon everything, you have been getting it sorted with every single thing. It itself is creating the APIs. Now if you see the all sort of codes and everything, it is being made. It is not like okay, it's kind of a self-made and all. Okay, it is basically like okay, you are maintaining it. Okay. Okay, let it run. Let it run. Okay. So what we are gonna do it is now okay with an API done. Let's just reload it. Okay, your portfolio now has a complete separate backend APIs. Now what? It is basically having the data management. Every single portfolio is onto the one place. Okay, modify with each. Okay, everything. These are the APIs we have for the contact us page, for this and that. Okay, these are the list. Okay, if someone says that okay, what is a link of your skills, simply go back to the Google and type this, right? Okay, but it says what is an API number, right? Okay, what is kind of an APIs and everything, correct? For me, these links should be working, correct? But what exactly it's been happening is we need to fetch, correct, with the contact forms and everything. If I'll just run it, if I'll just go with the projects and just see this, I'm already getting slash projects, correct? I'm already getting it. Perfect or not? Any questions, please everyone let me know. Any questions now, till now, anyone? What should be the best is this? Okay, let me just connect, okay, with then you will be seeing it, okay, but it's not like okay, you will definitely get it like okay, what she has been writing and all. Okay, this is the logic which AI is already being maintaining it. Okay, now what I need the next thing, is create a mongoose model for about with the fields name, bio and the photos. Okay, so this is, you will get it, and I will also add some sort of routes, okay, towards this. So what is the routes, okay, where exactly I need to write the routes and everything. We'll just simply connect with you. Now Rahul, your point, okay, which is being there, start the pro trial, but I don't want it to purchase it, right? Okay, already I have done it. So it is saying start the pro trial. Why should I buy it? Correct. Right. So what I'll do it is go to the settings, open the settings, manage the account. Please everyone, right now it's me, okay, but tomorrow you can be also there, right? Okay, I'll just tell you like okay, what exactly is the option. Manage the account, go with an open, you will get your dashboards. Okay, this is the dashboard. Okay, I am not gonna write it this way, I'm simply gonna go with the logouts, correct? And now I will be signing in again. Okay, simply click on to this Google and all, whatever, like howsoever you wanted to write it. Okay, now continue, that's it. Now continue, it might be you people also, like okay, those who are gonna get it, that this problem is going on. Claim your pro trial, no, skip for now. Okay, now this you got it. This is somewhat like I don't know. Okay, got it. So now I'll just close this project. It's not like okay, I'm not getting it save and all. Okay, I will close this project. Open my cursor again. Go with the settings. I'll see whether this is basically what I got it. No, I will just go with the logout from here also. I'll just quickly go with the sign in. Yes, so and so like email ID is going to be there, which I just need to open it. Okay, hold a second please. This is basically the link. Yes, login as in of this. Yes, so I'll just quickly go with okay, open the cursor. Okay, go back to my cursor. Do I have the same? Yes. So if you see, I have just changed what? The email ID, nothing else. I haven't chose anything else. What I'll go back as to where basically is cursor settings. Now I'll open the project what I have been doing it from last 2 days, correct? I'll go with like okay, this particular project file, open it from here. Just I'm not changing anything else, I'm just changing my email ID. That's it, nothing more than to that. Okay, GPT CLIs and everything I'll try it later on, right? Okay, over here. So every single thing which is whatever you're just trying to write it, okay, it's been getting it changed. Okay, got it. So this is the option, you can just go with use it multiple email IDs for the multiple things. Okay, clear now your doubts? What if I'll get it does this thing? Okay, so this is the option. Go with the sonnet. Okay, I'll write it, create the mongoose model. Okay, and just click onto this once again, summarizing the chat or whatever it's required. Okay, let it be. Okay, no problem. Let it just summarize the chart, and you need to be having very much good kind of a patience. Okay, it is adding it. Okay, I have already gave you the kind of the command. Okay, you can just have a look. Let it just write the code again, and then I'll be able to save it. Okay, I'll just simply say keep all. But what is the benefit I'm just getting at, correct? Okay, first of all, it has applied these are the technical terms, okay, error handling for management of any sort of an errors or anything like that. Okay, any sort of errors, whatever it has, correct? Now these are the way where I can see the changes what you are maintaining. Okay, maintaining in the backend. Okay, give me a link of everything. Okay, somewhat like that. Okay, so this is basically one thing you're just demanding, right? Arvind, obviously, yes. Okay, so these are the commands what you're just getting at. Okay, so this is cursor. I don't know whether you have applied or like okay, saw the last 2 days of the sessions, okay, of the bootcamp or not. I'm not sure about it. If yes, definitely you observe. With the help of like okay, what you have learned into the full stack web development, it's very difficult to code it. Okay, like this. it's not difficult, but it takes a lot of your time to occupy, right? But the Cursor AI, with the help of the commands and everything, these kinds of an intelligent commands and all, you're basically able to get everything on a platter. Right now, whatever you are able to see, right, okay, onto this particular page, it is all coded with the help of the commands. You will get each page code, okay, into this. This is the for the front end, and this is for the back end. You will get it for each. So I think that's way more practical, if I'll talk. Correct. It's more kind of a practical, which we can just say and we can observe. So it is saying that it has all been done with the front end application with the server JS and everything. So we can fetch about the data. Okay, we can just fetch the skills data and everything. So in this Mongoose about the model, it's being the complete CRUD operation. Okay, and everything, it's probably there. Okay, connected to the Atlas. Okay, test the API, visit the links. Okay, over here, these links and everything. These are what I would say run the front end and the back end both, and check if everything is good and MongoDB is running. Okay, and so things. Okay, it will be just letting us know that this things are being happening. Okay, it is saying yes, every single thing is being expected to go with more. So over here the server is running. Okay, good. Over here front end is running. Good. This is the back end, right? Okay, if I'll say so, this is basically how you are able to get that. Okay, now it says that open onto so and so kind of a ports. Okay, let's open it. Okay, access to localhost was denied. Okay, it is basically just for the authorizations. Okay, it is only for the authorization what you are maintaining it. Okay, now let me just go with the I would say login. And now you can see this, right? Okay, it will just give you, okay, it's running all. Now with the help of Cursor.AI, if you see, with the help of Cursor.AI, I'm all able to run all my APIs. The front end is running on 5173 port, okay, but back end is running on 5000 port, right, or 3000 port, okay, somewhat like that, right, 3000. But it has changed because of the AirPlay conflict. If you see this is basically for the health. I don't know for what health he made it. This is basically API for the /about. So it's giving me everything. Anshika, Gupta, this is an API. Okay, APIs are always being covered into this particular, I would say, curly braces. Okay, so this is all being covered into the curly braces. Okay, some of the skills. So each and everything you have written it. These are the locations, New Delhi. Okay, whatever, it's tools and everything. But don't you think it is basically for what? About. And just check your about page. Every single thing whatever you have written is an API. It's been fetching from where? API. Later on, if you don't want to make the changes from the code, okay, you can simply write it from the backend. Okay, this is basically what you get it. Okay, one API you get to know as this. Another one is /skills success because it's running. Okay, so this is another API, the second API. The third API is basically for your projects. Correct. So each and every of that, ID number 1, it's saying to you, right, ID number 2 and all. So this is all because of the API you get it. So that means that's why it makes a sense, like, okay, all APIs are working, about, skill, experience, project. Okay, and contact API is also being working. If you open this too, just simply go with it and just open. This is the contact. Okay, database not connected, message so and so. Okay, no problem. Now is my database is connected? And can I see these entries over there? All the APIs are being ready. Okay, all the APIs are being connected. Now it says MongoDB connection error is there. Okay, no problem. Looking to the terminal logs and all. Okay, it's okay. Now it will just take your quick minutes. It will just say that okay, this is basically running and all. Okay, APIs are being definitely yes, that's been working. But you just need to go back. This is where your API is being there, right? Okay. Already you made the connections and all too. Okay, whatever the things are being there. Now you can see this is basically for what? This is basically for the contact form. This is a test message to verify the contact form is working with the MongoDB or not. Yes, it's working. So very good. The MongoDB is connected. You're being connected with your, I would say, first of all, obviously about page would be there. Okay, contact page and everything. Then it sends, I would say, the demo data. Okay, so into the database access, or you can say the cluster. Browse the collection. It will just renew it. Okay, all. So if you see now, the basic thing what was there is connection is doing good or not. Correct? Is the connection is going good or not? So you can see this portfolio dot about. Right? Okay, what you have is the portfolio and the about. Now you can see the first entry is being, this is an API object response. I have just got it. Okay, at what particular timing it is also saying that. Right? Now these are the messages. The Joe @ example, and that what you were able to see into the API. Okay, it's basically saying your API, your front end is ready, your back end is ready, your MongoDB is ready. Okay, so your MongoDB is all connected. It is all made, working perfectly with the front end, working perfectly with the back end. Okay, nothing as of now a bug is there or anything like that. Correct? Okay, nothing is being there. Now I will say one thing. Okay, over here is I've just written for the about. Correct? I will say fetching all my experiences or not. Okay, but first of all, majorly is you need to enable the CORS. Why? What is a CORS? CORS is basically for connecting the front end to call these APIs. So I will be just writing it, enable the CORS. So the React, okay, front end can call these API. Okay. Secondly, I will be writing it at the basic error handling middleware. Middleware is anywhere any error comes, it will give you a message. Third thing is give me clear instructions to run the backend with the node mon. Okay, or I will be saying make it clear to connect with nodemon. That's it, nothing more than that. I'll provide this comment to you. It's very amazing going to be the particular website. Okay, you're gonna make it. Believe me, if I'm saying this, because this is 200% good website what you're making it. Okay, as comparison to you what you make it naturally. Okay, a very perfect, and it's very intuitive. All the functionalities and everything it has. Right, starting from the front end to the back end. Okay, right, starting from the back end towards the databases and everything, it's all connected. Now it will say this and this and that. Okay, let it work. It will run all the syntaxes itself. Let it just run. Okay, any questions you can let me know. Surely the page ask a doubt if you have any. Now you got all of the APIs. All the APIs are being running all perfectly. Just have a look. Okay, this is somewhat health. Okay, got it. This is somewhat like okay about. Okay, this is also all working fine. This is also having the success, correct? But I wanted, okay, to get everything, the portfolio I have, correct? The port I am just using it. Start the server. Okay, it's already being starting it. Okay, it already have been started. Okay, waiting for the changes and everything. That's good. Okay, got it. Any questions, please? Anyone? Let me know, please. Okay, over here. It's a database integrations. Now you can also make some manual kind of. Okay, I'll say make all the. If you go back to the MongoDB, this is basically what the collections. Okay, make all the modals for all page for the pages I have. Okay, in MongoDB, and send at least 2 of the demo data to the MongoDB atlas. Okay, I'm just writing it like this: 2 demo data to the MongoDB atlas. Okay, I should be able to visualize it on the platform. Okay, so this is why I'm just giving it, only because of I wanted it to give me more and more things. I have a doubt. The website name, yes, we can change it. That also I'll able to help you out for that too. Don't worry, we can able to complete that too. Okay, let it just run. It will make all the routes. It will make every single thing for all the pages we have. Okay, let it just start to work with it. Okay, it will take a few seconds. Okay, definitely yes. Let it just going to get run. Okay, I hope it's all working good. Have a look, please. A bit, it's gonna be hefty, but not less. Success and everything. Now you can see 72-73% of that it's already have been burned out. Okay, it's already have been burned out. Okay, let's wait for another quick seconds, and then we will just run it completely. Got it. I got all the APIs now. Okay, I've got all the APIs. Your APIs are being ready. This is the APIs. Okay, what you have. Have a look. This is the API number 1, which is the skills. So whatever the skills you have, it's all running good. Okay. Then you have is the experiences. Okay, the second API. Everything would be written, okay, over here. It's every single thing. It's been written. The third API, what you have is for the projects. So again, now you have 6 APIs. One is about page, also skills and everything. Your APIs are being all ready. Okay, just click over here. This is for the project. Rahul, please explain your question a bit more. Now, if you go back to your Google Atlas, okay, with my MongoDB, reload it once again, reload it. Okay, there will be the data services, right? Okay, let's say the collections. Now you can see that for what collections you have. Just check. About. Okay, this is the about, the Jodo and all. Okay, but right now I will be writing it for the Anshika. Okay, this is the Anshika Gupta about me. The certification, I have added the demo of it. Okay, the demo of it, the certifications and everything, because it's presented in my particular website. So I've written this like, okay, please add the demo data. Okay, experiences. Okay, this is basically for the experiences. I have and 2 experiences, right? The messages, the contact form. Correct. The project. These are the for the projects, right? And these are the for the skills. Now have a look. Now you will say like, ma'am, these are the skills. Okay, whatever skills I have written it. Not me, the Cursor.Ai have written it. Now I will say like, okay, I want my contact form to run when I enter the message, and it should go to the MongoDB. Okay, will it be possible? Definitely yes. Okay, will it be possible? Definitely yes. Okay, now it will just alter my front end. Okay, it will attendance link, you will get it like at 9, 10, 9, 12. Not now. Okay, attendance link, okay, you will get that way. My bad. Okay, I would be opening MongoDB Atlas again. Okay, this one, and I will be able to retrieve the list. So this is what I was getting it, right? So perfect, the backend is working. Okay, this is what, okay, the email example test is there. The contact form is already properly implemented and everything. It's saying all perfect, like, okay, the success and everything. Okay, the message collection is being there and so things. Now go to this particular link, fill out the form and submit it, and you will be able to find it where this is the API. Okay, but you will resemble it onto the dashboard also. Now let me just tell you like how. If I'll just go with this and go to my contact page, I'll simply write it Anshika Gupta. No, not Anshika Gupta. XYZ @gmail.com. Hi, how are you doing? How are you doing? Congratulations. And so things. Okay, I've written it normally. I'll able to get it sent. Message sent successfully, and I will get back to you soon. Okay, now beautifully it is written. Message sent successfully, and now okay, I'll get back to you where I'm able to see this particular contact API. Let me just put it. Okay, click over here. I'll need to find it. Okay, the contact form, I got it. How do we read it? This is the ID, we got it. This is the name of the person XYZ. This is an email ID xyz@gmail.com. A message is there. Hi, how are you doing? And on congratulations. It's created on so and so time. Okay, and this is the text message. Okay, I've got it. Okay, got it. So verifying the form is working perfectly. Now you saw that your API has fetched this code. Okay, This API has fetched your code. It does not even have any sort of problem. It does not have any sort of problem. I'll get back to my cluster. Reload it. I'll reload that. I'll simply go to the messages. Okay, I'll see like, okay, where I'll get the message and all. And here you go. If you just observe this ID, xyz@gmail.com. Hi, how are you? And all good. How is it looking? Just let me know. Just tell me how is looking it. How is it looking your particular final kind of the project? Everything. Front end is perfectly made. The layout is perfect. The UI is all good. Backend is all connected. The logics are all made. The APIs are being made. The integration has been done with the MongoDB, and everything is perfect. Let me know how you are enjoying it. Now, I just wanted to hear from your end. Come on, come on, come on, everyone. Every single page of this link is being the dynamic. This is all dynamic, not a static at all. Okay, not a static at all, I will be saying it. It is all dynamic into the nature. Each and every page is being stored where? Into the MongoDB. Each and every kind of a sorting, okay, has been done onto the MongoDB. The logics has been maintained onto the MongoDB. Correct, okay. You are able to go within contact page. You are able to just see what you have maintained, okay. And also you are able to just go with everything onto the perfect platform. Every single thing is onto the perfect platform. Aren't we good to go with it? Just let me know. Put your queries, please, if you have anything. Come on, everyone. Is it looking good? Is it like, okay, all sorted or not? Come on, everyone. Every single person over here, how it is being looking right now. Let me know how good it is looking. How good it is. I just need to go with your answers, please. How good it is looking like right now. Okay, got it. Now, every single thing is connected. The front end is connected, back end is connected, okay. Your MongoDB is connected, your APIs are all connected, okay. You have all the I would say like, okay, the contact form validations are being there, okay. Every single thing, view my work, the buttons are all working, okay. Go to the home page, get in touch, the contact page is being all working. About me, you only have this, right? Okay, in the skill pages, okay, you have this, right? Into the projects, it is being looking like this. Into the experiences, you have the style structures. In the contact page, this is good, right? Now, if everything is good, what is missing then? Correct? If everything is good, what is missing then? Okay, is just tomorrow we have one thing to do. Tomorrow, one thing, okay, we will be just doing it is authentication and full stack integrations, okay. We will be having the full stack integration. Already we are done with the integrations and everything also, but tomorrow we will add some new things, okay, into this. We will add some new animations, okay. We will add some new kind of the transitions and everything, right? And the moment we are done, okay, with this, okay, the moment we are just trying to get it done and all, we are all set, okay. We are all set with this, okay. And I hope you're liking it, okay, right? I'm open for your doubts now. And moreover, I would just tell you one thing, please. I'll say towards you all is give the Smarted Innovation the review, a Google review, okay. You can give a Google review to the smarted, I would say, innovations and all, regarding the bootcamp it has been going on. Okay, so you can just go with the smarted. Okay, and you wanted to give the Google review. Okay, over here. Okay, so you can search for the company. Okay, just a minute. Okay, find anywhere the Google review and all. Go with the simple smarted also. This is the smarted innovation. If you see smarted innovations reviews, you can put your own review also. Kindly just put your own review. Just go with the write a review. Okay, give it a 5 stars. Okay, an awesome place, platform to grasp some really good learning. Okay, the moment you're just done with that, okay, add the photos and the videos if you wanted to. Okay, and then you can post it. Give your 5-star ratings, okay, towards it, and also you can earn the points, okay, onto it. So now once you go with that and make it done, okay, your review will be getting it done. Okay, your review definitely you will be able to see it. And also there is a lot of reviews presented, a lot of reviews are being there. Okay, very beautiful reviews are all being there. So you can give your reviews properly, give it a rating, right? Tariq, we will be hosting it also, we will be deploying it also on the day number 5 on Monday. We will be doing it. Okay, just you need to wait a bit, that's it, just 1-2 days more, and you will be deploying it on a really good site. Okay, on a really good site you will be doing it. So here is your feedback form, okay, which is being there. Please give the reviews. Okay, the Google review you can give it. So this is a feedback form, what you have, attendance sheet on the feedback, okay, whatever you wanted to say, like it's same. Okay, I also drop the review sheet of the smarted. You can simply just run or go with the button which is being presented. Okay, simply I don't think so, just I will be able to copy it. Okay, so simply just go over here, write it smarted Google, innovations review, and there we have a button that's in write a review and all, and there you can write a review, give your ratings, 5-star ratings and all, add something about it. Okay, and then you can just go, right? And once you just go with this, okay, the feedbacks or the attendance sheet, if you are really looking forward for this, I would say the campus ambassadors and everything, you can follow the yesterday's links. Okay, now you can follow this. Okay, you can just write your full name, okay, college names and everything, branches, states and all, and please take a moment to share your feedback. Okay, yes, review given or not given. Okay, so you can give your feedback on the review link. Okay, you will able to find this smarter innovation, you will definitely able to find this out, right? Got it. So once you click on over here, you will be taken to this particular page, the smarter innovation. Go over here, just click, okay, if you wanted to, and just explore like, okay, your website, just click onto this review. Okay, and there is an option, edit your review and write your reviews and so things, correct? So you can write your reviews also. Okay, over here I've shown you like, okay, how you're gonna go with it. Perfect, onto it. I am open for your doubts now. If you have any, let me know. And this is at the last what you have made it. Okay, I'm thinking like, okay, we can make some of the transitions and everything also, that we will be doing it tomorrow. Right? Okay then, thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot, please. Thank you guys. Any questions? Please let me know. I'm able to answer it out. Okay, I'm all able to answer your queries and all. You can let me know. We can discuss about your queries. Although I hope everything is good to go and sorted. Okay then, thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Keep safe. Right? Okay. And let's meet tomorrow then once again.